Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to log out or sign out in Microsoft OneNote. This is especially useful when you're switching between different Microsoft accounts or when you're done working on a shared computer and want to ensure your notes stay private. Let's walk through this quick and simple process. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Once you launch the application, give it a moment to fully load your notebook. You'll see your notes and pages appear on the screen. This initial loading is important because you need the app to be fully active before you can access the account settings. Once your notebook has been loaded, signing out of Microsoft OneNote is actually quite a straightforward process. Look at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see several menu options across the toolbar. From this list of menus, click on File. This is typically found in the upper left corner of the application and serves as the gateway to most of your account and application settings. The File menu will expand and reveal several options on the left side panel. From here, look for and click on Account. This section contains all your user information and account-related settings. Under the Account option, you'll see details about your currently signed-in Microsoft account, including your profile picture and email address. Directly under the user information, you'll see the Sign Out link. Simply click on it to sign out of your Microsoft account in your OneNote app. The application will process your request and disconnect your account from the current session. And that's it. You've successfully signed out of Microsoft OneNote. This ensures that the next person using the device or the next time you open the app, you'll need to sign in again to access your notebooks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.